Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is December the 11th on a Monday morning, and taking a look real quick at the SPY. We are continuing our kind of not really power, but bleeding up, if you will, trying to get above that 460 level. Seeing a little bit of a gap down today, but nothing major. Let's take a look at some setups out there because there are some nice setups. First on the list is this Vanguard. This one has been uh, moving sideways, kind of forming a kind of a tight wedge, bullish flag, if you would. Look for a break above that 465, I think, or let's call it, sorry, 166 level. Amazon, I think you continue to watch this one because it is that time of year and kind of sloppy the last several days. But if it does get above that, let's call it the monthly high there, could be off to the races, could be a quick move. One of the lists that I've been in for a while around the 15 level, like, this Toast, TOST. I think you look at that 15, let's call it 60 level. If it breaks above it, it is an ARC stock. It has been lagging the others. I think this could be a nice little bottom fisher if it can, especially if it can get above that 1560 level. Alst is one I kind of like the setup here in Alst. You're seeing obviously a lot of the same setups because of the market, but I like that $6 level, break above that, and OUST. And one more on the list is this RITM. I think I mentioned this last week as well, but a couple of wicks up there around the 1060 level. If it does get through that, could be off to the races. There's a lot more on the list, guys. Once again, if you have trade ideas, we have a channel called the TI Trader Eye where you can see all of these setups. So have a great one. That's it for today, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.